Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. On this episode, we are going to show you how to make coconut oil, that is the original coconut oil from fresh coconut milk at home. And for that, we have taken 4 coconuts and we are going to grate it and take the milk out of it. And using that milk, we are going to prepare fresh coconut oil. And it is my dad who is going to prepare the coconut oil for you guys. So let's get started.
To extract the milk, we have grated 4 coconuts and we added little water to it, squeezed it well and removed the coconut milk from it. You can also chop the coconuts into fine pieces, grind it in a mixie using little water and extract the milk from it. So we are pouring the milk in a hot kadai and do not disturb it for the first 10 minutes. Let the flame be on high for the first 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the coconut milk boiling. Let it be undisturbed for the next 5 more minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the coconut oil separating from the coconut milk. Now it's time to reduce the flame to low. It will take another 25 minutes for the coconut oil to get separated. After 20 or 25 minutes, you can see a layer at the bottom. Scrape it and keep it aside and let the coconut oil brown completely. Wow, the smell is really natural. I can feel the pure coconut oil. Now if you can see, the coconut oil has browned a little.
Now the coconut oil is completely separated from the coconut milk that we have added. So now we are going to filter it and I'll show you how it is. And I should truly admit that this place is completely filled with the aroma of coconut oil. You should definitely give it a try. This is the purest form of coconut oil, which is really very healthier. You can use it for any purpose, may it be cooking or for your personal care, anything that you can use it for. So let's filter this and see how it turned out.
After we filter it, let it cool down completely. Then you can again filter it and store it in a bottle. And out of 4 coconuts, we got 450 ml of coconut oil. You can store this for 2 months. It is very true that nothing can replace natural products because I can really feel the difference between the store-bought coconut oil and this coconut oil.
And we all saw how easy it was to make coconut oil at home. It was in fact time consuming. It took hardly 1 hour for us to make this coconut oil. But it was really satisfying when we saw the result, and hope you also will be satisfied after you try this at home. And if you try this once at your home, I'm very sure that you'll be trying it again and again in your home, because this is the healthiest and purest form of coconut oil. So give it a try, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up for my dad and do click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care, bye. And it's bye from my dad too. And we all wanted to wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year. Happy New Year. Have a fun-filled and energetic year ahead. Ready? Happy New Year, Sunil.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Bye.